Yes guys, you heard right, that is the 100 minutes and 100 sketches, and that is what I planned for my 100 days of sketching challenge celebration. Yes, so everybody know that I'm doing every day a live streaming on YouTube about these drawing and sketching, and I completed 90 days. So now just 10 days to go and I'm gonna complete the 100 days sketching challenge, and I'm very excited. On this special occasion, I would like to invite you all guys to come and join my live streaming, and please show your support, love. Yes, and about this live streaming, all the details are there given in the description box. Besides that, if you subscribe my channel and press notification bell icon, so you will get all the updates about my upcoming videos and events. So guys, I'm eagerly waiting for you. Please come and join on this final celebration of my 100 days sketching challenge.